Hi, this is Cheryl at Longmont Yarn Shop. One of the classes I'm happy to teach this fall is the Cocoknits Sweater Workshop. This is set up as a workshop type sessions. So there's 2 sessions. They're from 9 a.m. to 1 in the afternoon on 2 consecutive Saturdays in this case. So they're long sessions, but there's only 2 of them to make the Emma sweater out of the Cocoknits Sweater Workshop book. The Emma, we start with this because it's a larger gauge. It's written for 3 stitches to an inch. So you can get this sweater done pretty quickly. Not in those 2 sessions, I'm not going to say that. But you can get a really good start on it, know exactly what you're doing, and just be knitting in the round to finish it up after the 2 sessions are over. So the yarn for this sweater that I'm modeling, I made using a worsted weight yarn and silk cloud, which is a silk mohair blend, held together throughout the sweater. So that's this sample, has those 2 yarns held together. Some other yarns that are great for this are on our bulky weight wall. We have lots of Malabrigo Mecha, which is a great option for this sweater. Tundra by the Fiber Company is really luscious. That's a wonderful yarn. And we have Cardo and many other options that will be coming in as the fall progresses. So you choose a bulky weight yarn. This sweater is a top down, so it's knit in the round, back and forth until you join the neckline, of course. But it's knit in the round, and what's unique about Cocoknits Sweater Workshop is its shoulder shaping. It looks like a set-in sleeve sweater, but it's not, and it is a top down. So that's a unique style for this method. So I hope you join us for this workshop. Thank you.